Hello, in front of me I've got Odys Thanos 10. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings, go to display, and extend the list. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level manually, enable or disable night light, change wallpaper, change sleep time between never or 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, set screensaver, and change device theme between automatic, light or dark. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.